How to benchmark our project. The do's and don'ts. Our project supports two build modes, debug and release. Each can be benchmarked by measuring CPU cycles or nanoseconds. To start benchmarking, simply build the project using one of the commands currently displayed. When building our binaries for benchmarking tests, the special flags shown in the screen right now are required. Bear in mind that currently only Intel CPUs are supported. After the binaries are built, a whole plethora of benchmarking tests will be available inside the generated folder. To execute any one of them, just run the commands as shown in the screen right now. Some of the benchmarking tests may take a bit of time to complete, so please keep that in mind as you proceed. If you built the release type of the binaries, a detailed statistical summary including the first quartile, median, third quartile, minimum and maximum of the bench times will be displayed. Unlike the release mode, the debug mode is intended only for developing and debugging purposes. The benchmarking binaries for the debug mode run less experiments and only return an average of the bench times. Just a word of caution. The special flags previously mentioned are mandatory for the benchmarking tests. If they are omitted, meaning that the binaries were built only as plain debug mode or plain release mode, the benchmarking output will always be 0. As a summary, benchmarking the release mode with the special flags will return detailed statistical results. On the contrary, benchmarking the debug mode with the special flags will run fewer tests and only return the average. Finally, benchmarking either one of the debug mode or the release mode compiled without any flags will always return 0.